Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel and one to step where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can download documents in your Google Drive. To do so, all you have to do is first of all be logged into your Google Drive account. You can see that I'm already logged into my Google Drive account. Now if you are already logged in to download the documents on your Google Drive, all you have to do is simply click on this new option on the top right side of your screen. If you click on it, you can see all of these options appear. Now click on the type of documents that you have, either it is documents, sheets, slides, or even forms. Click on any one of the options and now you can see that it is either a blank documents or you again also take a template. Select the option of your choice, and after doing so you can see that if you go onto the file upload as well, a small file explorer will open up on your screen. From then on, all you have to do is simply select the documents. After selecting the documents, all you have to do is click on open or continue and you will be uploaded in your Google Drive. This was for this video, and that's how you can upload documents in your Google Drive. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.